Welcome everyone to Neuroscience Mastery. My name is Jadoni, and today we're going to be classifying neurons based on the structure. Structurally speaking, neurons can be classified into three main groups. You have unipolar, with uni meaning one, bipolar, bi meaning two, and multipolar with multi meaning many. These groups are based off the number of processes coming out of the soma, or cell body of the neuron. Now, we'll take a closer look at them. We'll start with the unipolar neuron here. A unipolar neuron is one that only has one process coming from the soma. In unipolar neurons, the process will extend out and divide off with one of the branches acting as the axon and the other as the dendrites. These are the predominant neurons in invertebrate animals. Bipolar neurons have two processes extending from the cell. Both extensions coming out act as axons, and you'll have dendrites on one end here. Multipolar neurons have many processes coming out of the cell. A typical multipolar neuron will have a single axon and many dendrites. Now this is the most common type of neuron in the mammalian nervous system. Now it is very important that we mention another type of neuron called the pseudo-unipolar neuron. They have a single process coming from the cell body, though there's a reason why it's called the pseudo-unipolar. Pseudo means false or fake, like a fake unipolar neuron. This is because as a developing cell, the pseudo-unipolar neuron starts off as a bipolar cell with two processes. Then as it develops, both processes fuse into one. Pseudo-unipolar neurons convey touch, pressure, pain, and other periphery senses. Bipolar neurons deal a lot with your sight, smell, taste, and your hearing. Multipolar neurons, like the one shown here, connect to the skeletal muscles. We'll also do a quick mention to the anaxonic neurons, which, interestingly enough, have no axons. Oh look, now it's overview time. So we have unipolar, bipolar, and multipolar. Pseudo-unipolar neurons are considered unipolar because they have one process extending from the soma. They form connections to alert the brain and body of peripheral senses such as touch, pressure, and pain. Bipolar neurons have two processes extending out from the soma. These neurons deal a lot with sight, smell, taste, and hearing. Multipolar neurons have multiple processes extending out from the soma. The ones like in this image connect and innervate with the skeletal muscles of the body. And last but not least are the anaxonic neurons, which have no axons. And that's it! If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. A like and subscribe are always appreciated to help the channel out. So until next time,